In this video, we'll show you what to do if you have plugged in your USB-C headphones but your Android phone is not detecting them. So to fix this, first head to the settings app. Now tap on apps. Now here tap this filter and sort icon and then enable show system apps. Now tap on OK. Now tap the search icon at the top and then search for USB. Now here you will see this USB-C headset or a similar entry. Simply tap on it. Now tap the force stop option at the bottom if it's running. Now go back to the previous menu and then select USB settings. Now here again tap the force stop option and then tap on OK. Now here tap on storage. Now tap the clear cache option. Tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Once you have done this, simply restart your Android phone and then try to plug in your USB-C headphones again. However, if this doesn't work, you will need to head to the developer options menu on your phone. If you don't see it, first tap on this about phone. Now here tap on software information and here you will need to tap on this build number rapidly multiple times. As you can see, the developer options are already turned on my phone. So I'll just go back to the previous menu, tap on developer options and then tap on this search icon. Now here search for USB audio. Now here you will see this disable USB audio routing. Simply go ahead and turn this option off and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, make sure to search for OTG on your Android phone. So simply type in OTG and you will see an option that says OTG connection or OTG storage. This is not available on all Android phone, but if you do see it on yours, make sure to turn it on and the USB headphones should start working as expected. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.